10.1.
What are you talking about? Okay. This is not how I wanted to start the video, but hello everyone. Welcome back to Spoochy. I'm already screwing up the whole name.
Gucci.
Yep, sorry. I apologize for that. It is very late. It's welcome back to Spoopy. Radical Dude, can you stop laughing, please?
He's the gig player.
Radical Dude, can you please stop laughing at me? Listen, it's
He's the gig player.
It's 10 p.m. It's late, and I've been doing this thing for hours. But okay, welcome.
Sorry.
Okay, welcome to SpoopySearchers 16. I'm Spoopy 1. Spoopy 2, can you introduce yourself again for the audience?
I'm Spoopy too. I'm spoopier than he is.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
And for the rest of the cast, we have I forgot his name. Oh yeah, Gramps. Yeah, hi Gramps.
Their actual name.
Yes, that's your name,
Yeah,
Gramps.
that's
We're calling you that. We don't know your actual name.
That's gonna stay your name though. And then, since we've been, soaking up all the Deltarune Chapter 2 content, we've also been kind of focusing on mods too, which is why we have Friend here, because they're a big Deltarune fan. So I thought it'd be cool to invite them here. But the topic of the video is we are going to be exploring the glitches and goals of this weird Deltarune Chapter 1 copy that Gramps sent me like a few days ago. Probably.
It was so weird.
It's very weird. In hindsight, I probably should have streamed it when I already didn't go through it, because I'm not gonna lie. If y'all here, I kind of already went through it, but I'm gonna stream it anyway.
Okay, sure. Just take all the spoopiness out of it for yourself. Great.
Yeah, you have to go through it because you're spoopier than me, right?
You know what? Yeah. Heck you, man. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna see this with my own 2 eyes.
Okay. I do have to say there's like 2 different versions of the same file. One of them just crashes or just doesn't work after like a certain point. So I'm gonna go do that one first because that one's much shorter. So I'll go do that one first.
Spoopy 1, mind your language.
Yeah, you're right. Okay. So not only can I hardly even load into the stream, I'm probably gonna like cut out like half of the hassle I already just took trying to get in. But we can't go to chapter 2 because there's nothing weird about that. Grant specifically told me which is chapter 1, so I'm gonna load in there. There's also another save file on here, which I don't even know who it is. It's probably not important though. Ignore this guy. I don't know who that is. That's weird. We're starting a new copy.
I get all that guy's money.
I don't know who that is. We're starting a new file. Okay, so I probably should have warned you that the crashing point is like right now. We don't get anything else here.
Okay.
So, I don't know if any of you noticed, but I don't think that was the voice's dialogue. That's probably...
So it was different. It was different.
Yeah.
Is that the only spooky thing about this?
No, because I haven't gotten the other file.
File. Is that gonna take you another 20 minutes to get open?
Why are you so mean?
It's funny.
No, it's not. It's not even.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't say such things.
Okay. Now this other file, I hope this should be easier to actually stream. Here we go. Now I can actually stream it easier.
I'm laughing. I saw the giggler again.
Who even is the giggler? Can you tell me who that is?
He's the giggler. He's the giggler.
I don't know what to say to that. Okay.
It's the giggler.
Yeah, I don't know what to say there. But essentially, the dialogue doesn't change here. You can see that well, it does change because it's the normal one now. But as you can tell, this is not the normal dialogue from the other file. Okay, so let's create a vessel. I think this is gonna be very fun. Okay, so to create a vessel, we have to use a. Okay, what's the head we should use?
Spoopy one. Like the stream's not working.
Okay, so what should be the head?
Bald.
What's the torso?
There's much of a difference between them.
There is.
Do the last one. Oh, I dropped my phone.
Oh, okay. What are the legs? The problem is.
Do the middle one specifically.
No, I'm not.
Okay. This is your body. You accept it?
I want to say no, but I want to yes. So. Okay.
Oh shit, the spider's back.
Okay. So, what is his favorite hobby?
I like do swimming.
What is the favorite country?
See even
What color does it like? Most.
cyan. That's just cyan's just blue. That's just blue. You just put blue twice.
What's the gift we should
Don't do
A voice.
Okay.
speak no.
So how do we feel about our creation, everyone?
I hate it.
That's not an option, Gramps.
That's not an option.
You can't say you hate it. I'll do fear. Let's say fear.
Yeah. Yeah. I want to name our vessel Spoopy.
Yes. We have a walking advertisement.
Exactly. That's the beautiful part. What should we name ourselves?
You're Spoopy one, so do Spoopy one.
I can't. There's no
Just type it out. out. I did it.
That's pretty cool.
You're welcome, mysterious voice.
That's not fun.
Altered.
Is this Asgore? Is this Asgore?
No, spoopy one, no.
Thank you one of these
Okay.
days.
That's Toriel. That's Toriel, spoopy one.
Oh, okay. You know, this makes me realize that like we have school in a couple of weeks. That's lame. I don't want to do that.
I'm gonna cry, don't remind me.
Yeah, I don't want to do that either. Okay, so question.
Yeah?
Do you want me to crash the game again, or do you want?
I just wanna... I just wanna see the spoopy things, man.
Okay, then we'll see this. Okay, then we'll do that. Okay.
That's the... What are the changes?
So if you couldn't tell, we're basically named like straight up from our vessel. There's hints at us being still Chris, but we're called like Spoopy throughout this entire section.
Oh, yeah. I did notice that.
Obviously, this dialogue's changed.
Is it all random flavor dialogue changed?
Yeah, there's a bunch of dialogue changed. There's not really
So
much.
this,
The
like I
blue.
said, this thing is weird.
Yeah.
It gets even weirder.
All the dialogue is the same for like mostly interacting with things. It's just when you interact with the wagon, the game crashes, and when you press on it, it says you have a job to do before crashing the game.
Huh.
I don't know what job it is, but I don't really care. Okay. So yeah, this part's basically the same. I forgot who Azrael was. Who's that
That's Chris's brother.
That's so real. Okay, I'm gonna interact with Temmie.
Nah.
Wow. I'm gonna interact with this guy.
There's no need for that.
That's that guy you keep talking about.
Basically, this almost forgot her name. Oh, hi, Susie.
I Susie.
You know, this kind of reminds me of Harold. I don't know why.
He would do that.
That reminds me more of Harold, if anything.
Okay. So, now I gotta go out and follow her. So, let me go do that. Is that crack? Oh, never mind. That's not crack. Never mind.
You think Harold eats chalk?
Yeah.
He probably does, yeah.
I can't even lie. I feel like I'm gonna despise seeing him in the next few weeks. I'm gonna hate him and when he gets to class. Jesus Christ.
Knock him in the mouth for me.
Okay, I don't think Spoopy 1 is still in a lot of trouble for the stuff he pulled during school, so I don't know if getting into trouble during the first few weeks is high on his priority list.
Okay, how about you?
What are you talking about?
Do you not remember? You said your goldfish ate your homework like 5 times in a row.
Oh yeah. I mean, they did do that. I didn't do anything there.
I don't think the teacher believes you.
That's mean. Oh. Never mind.
Yikes. Oh.
This is like our first interaction with her, by the way. This is the first impression that we had of this entire character. And I actually, never mind. I can't even do anything. But I would imagine they wouldn't allow me to have a choice either. Not even talking about Susie. I'm talking about like the thing here. Which I'm gonna be honest, they haven't even done that much. I'm like, you're so mean. That's not allowed to dialogue. Okay. It went outside the box.
Went outside the box. That's kind of spooky, I guess.
That is kind of spooky.
I
Okay,
know
he kind of
that that's
reaffirms
not
the fact
supposed to
this
happen.
is not normal. This is Fine. did that door close?
Good question.
I think they died.
I don't think. Well, this is a spoopy copy. That could have happened.
Never mind. No, they're still alive.
No.
Okay. I feel like no one talks about the stepping sound enough. I actually really like the stepping sound. And that's on normal heater.
Oh, that's
That's a. I'm not gonna save.
Aren't you gonna say what if you die during battle or something?
Has anyone else noticed that Chris has a save file on there?
Yeah. That's
It's
very
in
weird.
a crisp or something.
This is very strange.
That was a spoopy figure. I don't know who that was.
Nah, that was in the game. Last time I checked.
Oh, that's in the game.
Yeah.
Spoopy one, have you played this game before?
Yeah.
I think I need this.
Don't get hit. Don't get hit.
Don't do that.
I'm just saying, don't get hit.
Wow. Okay. How? Never mind, I guess. Ugh. Oh, brother. That's not supposed to happen anyway. Come on, that's right. Let's go in. Okay.
That's different.
Yeah. Oh, it's it's
Lancer.
yeah, Lancer. Okay.
Why is Spoopy 2 deafened?
I don't know. There's not really anything. There's not really any changes. It's kind of just the same dialogue thing, where instead of Chris's name, it's Spoopy. Oh hi, Spoopy too. You didn't miss a lot. You just kind of missed the spade guy, Lancer. He showed up.
Cool.
It was pretty cool. Instead of like the angel's heaven, it was the angel's voice instead of the prophecy. So that's a pretty spooky change, I guess. Okay, the dialogue just ends here afterward. There's not really anything else here, so I don't really. But the data is still here, so there's like a few things that show there.
We're gonna go into the data.
Yeah. I'll go into the code. The reason why I'm doing that anyway is also because some of the stuff there that shows up also just straight up isn't even in the copy. So, yeah. So there's a bunch to go through here. I had to. It's kind of why I stayed up very late last night. Straight up because I just had to go through like each file individually to see if I can find some change. I'm gonna spare y'all the pain that was. So essentially, if I can find it again. Yeah, here it is. So for each sprite, when I think this is the section where I think any section where you can get damaged while like you're running or just walking. There's this guy.
This.
Huh.
Yeah. And usually but it's in every sprite with this specific this Chris sprite. Every single one, like if I can show it. Yeah, every single sprite. I don't really know what to call it. Shows up.
So, is there like something in the game or some shit?
This was supposed to be in the game. It just did not show up. I don't really know what to say. I'm not. I don't know. This is just in Gramps' copy. Gramps, where did you get this copy again?
Showed up. Like I told you, half the haunted crap I get just shows up at my house for no reason.
So this
He's
just
living
showed
in
up.
Luigi's mansion, dog.
Yeah, I don't know.
At first it was scary, but now
Also, like, I think there's like another thing I show you. Hold on, let me pull it up real quick. So usually, just for anything, just texture page items, and there's a bunch of things. There's been textures. So usually, this is just normal stuff for the game, except when you go to this texture, which there isn't a 27th texture. Usually, because I pulled up my other copy because, I had to back it up because I didn't want this overloading my file. But yeah, and then there's just if I can put this up, there's just this guy. I don't know who this is. I don't know what this is either. It looks like a bottle of ketchup. He looks weird.
Yeah, I have not seen that one before.
Yeah, I don't know what to really say about it.
The first one I saw during my playthrough was like very weird. Like,
Yeah. Yeah. This just shows up here, and in regards to code, yeah, this thing, I guess, just shows up very randomly throughout the game. If I can find it again, I can show you that there's also, no, that's the font. Yeah, you're meant to talk to this thing after you enter into the field, after like you go through the door, but it just doesn't show up. I mean, I don't know. Uh, if I can find where the actual act sprite is, this is gonna take a while. If I can just find where that is, because I'm gonna be honest, this already took a while, so I'll try and spare it. But yeah, it's basically just the same thing with this thing showing up multiple times. It's weird. It even has a sprite. This is the name of it. I
Mysterious object.
Yeah. I don't.
Okay, I guess it's mysterious object now.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Something similar being called that in Undertale. Let me check.
I'm pretty sure there's. I don't think this thing just shows up in Undertale. Pretty sure.
I know there was one thing like, hold on.
I should be able to find it eventually, but it's specifically with the axe, not the axe, the act sprite. There you go. I just need to find where that is, because there's already a lot of files I have to go through, and it already took me a long time to even get through it. Yeah, and there's just, it shows up again. It's in basically every part of this game. I don't know. It just wouldn't help for rooms. Yeah. It's very. Yeah. I don't know like what I'm even supposed to really get from it. Like it's interesting. It's scary, I guess. Just I don't
Can you
know.
go back to the thing I was trying to look for the thing I thought I saw from Undertale.
Huh. It's just gonna take me a while for me to even find everything here. Like, there's a bunch of different textures just for each thing. Okay, hold on. I could probably. Hold on. Let me just straight up just pull it from the texture itself. Like, it's probably here. I hate how I zoom in here too, because it sucks how I zoom in. But yeah, it's here somewhere.
It's like, where's Waldo?
It basically is just trying to find this one thing that I did find, but it's very weird. Yeah, it's just the same thing. If I can find where, I gotta find where the act button is, because it's here straight up somewhere. if I can find it. Hold on, I can probably just pull it up from my files. I can probably just show it, because I may have downloaded it. I don't know. Okay, yeah, here it is. Let me just post it real quick. Let me just grab the image and I'll show it. Okay.
Have a gun on the stone.
No, I think that's a corner. I think that's a part of a corner.
Yeah.
It's like a gun.
It does look like a gun. You are correct.
Yeah, okay. This is a very small sprite. Given it. This is a
What
very
is that?
This is supposed to be the act button.
Right?
This is not the act button. If you could already tell. It looks like Pac-Man. But just like
It does look like Pac.
just with a bunch of different little, I guess.
I think it's supposed to be someone like talking.
Yeah, I think it is, which the only thing I can really think of is that it kind of goes along with the whole angel voice thingy. And how we chose the voice option for what we were giving our vessel. I think that's probably the only.
That is true. We did do that.
That's like the only thing I can get from it. But yeah, this is supposed to be in the game. I don't know why, despite the fact that how our vessel basically replaces every other dialogue option with Chris. That Chris like is still the normal like battle option. It's weird. The only other thing I can show right now in regards to this, because I really don't have anything else like that substantial, but I can go into the code, like the actual just dialogue, and I'll see if I can find it again. It's right up here. Yeah, here it is. Okay. Yeah. This is the last thing I can really show here, but basically the end of it, obviously the dialogue is weird. The letters here, they don't change, nor is the dialogue's just different. And then the last thing we really get in regards to it is this little message right here, which
Oh.
huh. Yeah.
That's
And you don't find this anywhere. I've tried looking through like everywhere in the force before I find the Lancer dog, it just does not show up.
Huh. That's
really
a bit...
I guess the only thing I could say is just I don't understand why it's here. It's kind of
That's a bit creepy.
It's kind of just a little bit of a cliche. There. In the audio files, there's a bunch of Morse code in there. There's some stuff in there, which I don't understand, because I don't know why you need to put code in this game.
I don't know, probably to try and scare us. I guess.
I guess, but it kind of just comes off as more annoying. But this is basically all of the findings I can really get from here. I think if someone more actually professional can just, I guess this was sort of Undertale that was for mod managers, or there's that one site, there's that one little application you can use, it's called Crystal. I think that's the one. I'm pretty sure people can use that as well. I can't really handle that, so if anyone wants to do this on their own, I'll send the files, I guess. Just, yeah, this is basically all I can find here.
I